I will disclose I did buy a bag today. I bought it right now because I really feel, not financial advice, that this is super duper undervalued.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Man, I'll tell you what, so much good things have been happening lately in the markets and in the crypto sphere. I'm just super duper excited. And today, I'm bringing you a newer project called Unimex, which is basically slated to launch very soon. So what is Unimex? Why am I interested in it? Why do I think it's a cool project? UniMex is a Uniswap-based borrowing platform which facilitates margin trading of native Uniswap assets. Kind of sounds like other mexes, but the key difference is that it is on-chain margin trading platform contained in Uniswap. That means shorts and longs are directly executed on Uniswap rather than going off-chain through a 0x relayer. So what does that mean? That means that everything is happening on-chain and this is fully decentralized, which is absolutely amazing. Now, if you don't know anything about margin trading, let me tell you something. First and foremost, these babies can do some massive volume. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. So basically, you get in the system and it allows you to take leverage and basically short and long Uniswap assets such as WBTC, etc. So very exciting, very innovative. In order for it to all be on chain, this is definitely would take some doing. This isn't a fly-by-night type project. So let's talk tokenomics. 10 million initial supply, 5 million in a seed offering, 0.0005. So it was basically about 30 cents or so. 20% goes to Uni, and I think I calculated this to be around 50. Let's see, it's Uniswap 737, so about 49 cents, 50 cents. Team development, time vested, which always is a good thing to keep people from dumping. Marketing, exchange listings, partnerships, and then we had some airdrops to other supporting projects. Fee distribution, UMEX stakers, 0.15, UMEX buybacks and burns, team liquidation reserve, YieldX stakes, and swap stakers. So what does this mean? This means that if you're staking your UMEX tokens, you're gonna earn divs on the volume of trading that is happening as people get longs and shorts open and closed. Now, why is this exciting? This is exciting because normally you would have to hold liquidity, then you got to worry about impermanent loss, and this will have a native UMEX stake, which means that you would get your tokens and then you would stake your UMEX by themselves in a staking pool, and then you earn these divs. Now, that's pretty awesome. So in essence, it's kind of like yield farming of fees. They got a roadmap, a fourth quarter seed offering, UMX alpha, UMX staking, blah, blah, blah. So this is supposed to kick off very soon. So let's look at some other things related to this. Here is DEX tools. As you can see, we had that launch down in the 30 cent-ish, and performance-wise, it's done pretty solid. 67 cents current price right now. I will disclose I did buy a bag today. I bought it right now because I really feel, not financial advice, that this is super duper undervalued. What is the market cap? Let's go over to CoinGecko. All right, going over to CoinGecko. And also I did note that this is on Blockfolio, so you can track your gains on there. Market cap, $5 million. there's rug pulls that have a higher market cap than this. So I mean, this is huge, and the fact that people will be able to stake their tokens will have some protection on the price. As always, if you don't have a place to put the governance token, then whatever you want to call it, utility token, then it makes the price susceptible to sell pressure. But that's not the case here. And also, right off the bat, the team sent 500,000 to the burn address. And you can see this on the contract. I'll leave the contract down below. 1,438 addresses, which is solid. I would say once this gets super successful, you'll most likely see this in the 4,000 or 5,000 range, easy. Social profiles, they do have a Telegram and such, but let's get to the juicy stuff. And that is the beta release is out there. Boom. So you're getting a look at the beta. You got your UMEX, WETH, account balances, position, and then here is your leverage. So if you wanted to short something or long it, and here's the funny story, they're going to have shorting of Link. So if you're a Link doubter, you'll be able to short Link. Let's see what else. What do we got? Link. Oh yeah, it's in there. Yep. So if you don't know anything about leverage trading, it is higher risk. So let me put it to you right there. But usually you don't want to go over, like, if you open a position, you want to keep like 50% in reserve. I'm not an expert trader, but I know people absolutely love margin trading. And the fact that this is decentralized is totally cool. Now, the next question you ask, what about the price oracles? Well, I did ask about the price oracles because you always worry about those slam candles. And that is the risk with these type of projects, is you can have slam candles that cause liquidation. There are some pools as well for liquidity. You can have swap just like balancer, so they're trying to build the liquidity. And I think, like I said, there were some rewards for the pool holders, I think. Buybacks, stakers, swappers, buybacks. I'm not sure about that. But, and then here's the juicy part. So you can basically deposit your tokens and you start earning those sweet rewards. I did ask in the Telegram about the fees that the stakers would get. Initially, they responded 0.25, but the slide on the main was showing 0.15, but maybe that's subject to change when alpha releases, because it's showing 0.15, but I was told it's 0.25. So let's put that into perspective. So let's say that we have $1 million in trading fees. Go through here. Let's see, at a 0.25 of 1%, 0.125. It's $2,500 in fees. So these fees can start to add up very quickly if this thing takes off. So the most important part about this is that this gets volume and this is used. Are the assets unique enough that people are gonna long and short them? I'm sure this asset list is subject to updates, but they're probably looking for tokens which have really good liquidity, which will give better market stability and help avoid the flash candles. But like I said, they're using the Uniswap price oracles, and it said TWAP as well. So other than that, this beta looks pretty darn sweet, and alpha is soon to come out. Now, what do I think? I think this is a huge opportunity. Like 9.5 million coins in circulation, and like I said, if this baby takes off with volume, nobody's going to want to sell their coins. And drying up that supply, it will not take much to pump this really hard. Now, total liquidity, the liquidity is pretty deep. It's solid at 1.8 million for this type of project, which, just launched. But other than that, that is Unimex in a nutshell. I will leave the contract, basically the and other important information, a link to the Telegram and such, and a link to the white paper so that you can check it out. Not financial advice as always. And like I said, I did pick up a bag today because I got a feeling about this one. Gonna hold it. I'm gonna be a long time holder of this, and we'll see if this thing gets some volume. I'll also leave the DEX tools down there so that you can check it out. As always, like, subscribe, and be sure to check out my official Cryptoslo gear, my ETH Sleep DeFi Cryptoslo t-shirt. It's down below. And as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.